Microbiomes are collections of microorganisms that live together in a given environment. Every soil and sediment on Earth has a microbiome. There are microbiomes in the ocean and even in the atmosphere. In your body, there are microbiomes in your skin, in your mouth, your digestive tract, anywhere the body comes into contact with the outside world. All life on Earth evolved together, so microbes need us and we need them. We depend on microorganisms to help us break down nutrients and produce important vitamins and enzymes in our digestive system. It's estimated that there are over 1,000 different kinds of microorganisms living inside our bodies, containing about 300 times more genes than our own human cells. If you put together all the microorganisms inside you into one mass, it would weigh as much as 6 pounds. In comparison, your brain only weighs about 3 pounds. Each of us carries inside of us a unique fingerprint of microbial diversity. Your unique microbiome starts as soon as you're born and is influenced by your diet, your experiences, what you're exposed to, and where you live. In some cases, your microbiomes can even affect your mood and behavior. Scientists believe there are several pathways through which the bacteria and other microbes in your body influence your brain chemistry. For example, experiments have shown that organisms that are raised in a completely sterile environment perform differently in tasks related to learning, memory, and social behavior. Currently, scientists don't have a perfect understanding of how these microbiomes work. Although we can catalog with incredible precision and speed the number of microbes living inside of us and around us, we still have a large gap in knowing how these communities interact with each other and with their environments. To develop the kinds of tools needed to study microbial communities and how they function, we need a unified approach that draws on many different disciplines. From the inside of a single cell up to the size of our entire planet, we need new technologies and methods to help us decipher the working principles of these communities. If we can understand these complex systems, it would have a large impact on how we interact with the natural world. There are applications in agriculture and crop productivity, in climate science and carbon cycling, in sustainable energy and biofuels, and in health and medicine to treat disease or create new therapies. Understanding microbiomes may even one day help us to colonize new planets. Microbes were here on Earth before us, and they're an important part of what makes this planet habitable. If we wanted to colonize Mars, for example, it would be critical to understand the role microbes play and how they integrate with a new ecosystem. We're only just now beginning to understand the full breadth of services microbes have to offer. There's a whole invisible microbial world out there that we didn't know existed before, and we're almost at the cusp of understanding this huge part of our environment and our own bodies. Microorganism communities may be small, but they're also very important. As they say, it's the little things that make a big difference.